Um, Today we're going to keep it very short and simple. We're going to talk about what's called the law of increasing returns, or why you should always render more and better service than that for which you are paid. Now, this is a quote from the Bible that really stuck with me at a very young age. It was, if you have an ungrateful master, serve him all the more. And that one really stuck with me. I always thought, why should you serve a person who's ungrateful? You won't be rewarded for it. But I want you to try to remember that your pay isn't always just on money. If you're focusing on just the money itself, you'll overlook so many different things, like the psychic income, what you're learning, what you're becoming on the job. And all those different factors play a huge role in your future income. I know you're very focused on the money, but you got to focus on becoming the person who makes that money. That's the most important part. Now, the law of increasing returns is something that Napoleon Hill taught. I found it especially prominent in his book, The Law of Success, the 1925 edition. And he makes reference to how a farmer plants the seed and yields a crop of 100-fold of what the seed had put in. So you put in a seed and you get lots more grains. And if it was just one for one trade, like you plant the seed and you get a seed back, the farmer wouldn't be able to survive. But nature has provided man with the mechanism to reap an increased yield compared to what he planted. So as you go about your work today, as you put your energy into service towards others, remember you will be paid not in proportion to the service you render, but even more than the service you render. So render and give as much as you can, paying no attention to your immediate gains. In the long run, this will pay off 1,000-fold for sure. This is the law of increasing returns. Just remember to form the habit of doing more than you are paid for, and eventually you'll be paid more than what you do.